Do you want to know how you can manage downloads by devices on your Amazon Prime account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can manage downloads by devices on Amazon Prime. Go ahead and open Amazon Prime on your phone and click on your profile on the top right hand side and click on settings. Now you should click on stream and downloads and go to manage downloads by devices, which is over here. You can see some of your downloads by clicking on the devices. You can see the delete button over here on the right hand side, or you can click on any of the downloads and you can start watching the series as well. You can see this one is a series and this one is a movie, so in order for you to delete it, you should just go ahead and click delete, which is over here, and click confirm. After click on confirm, your series or movie which you have selected will be deleted. Let me show it to you once again. Tap on your profile, go to settings, and then tap on stream and download. Now click on manage download by devices and click on your device. Now tap onto the series and you can see one of the episodes which you have downloaded. If you go to edit, you can delete it at once, or else you can click on delete and click confirm to delete some of the downloads. So guys, this is how you manage downloads by devices on Amazon Prime. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.